Hey, how you doing? This is Garage Door Mike, and today we're going to show you box truck repair bottom section cables. This particular customer requested this because he knows this box truck door is it's not the worst one, it's not the best one. This one's like right in the middle, so this is like a good one, good enough to fix. Obviously, and get him some more miles. So the bottoms here, you can see, we're kind of rotted out, so we put these little small metal plates in to hold the cable tensioner on there for the cables. It's a little different on a truck door. I'm going to do some oiling here in a minute. And there's the other one. So we put these little plates on to give it some more strength. And then let me get up here and open sesame. Opens real nice. And there's the plate on the inside, so it helps beef it up so that that bracket stays put. There's that one. The rest of the door is in somewhat decent shape. We're going to soak it in oil and send it. You can see this bottom section has seen better days, a lot of rust on there. Give it a good soak down in oil, and then I'm gonna get this down here a little bit more. You can see the spring. Big old Todco spring here. I'm going to soak that baby in oil and be all good to go. Let me open sesame. Truck door repairs, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com, 630-271-9343. Check us out on Facebook, Google, and YouTube. Mr. Mike 1296 will get you hooked up, do it right, and full warranties on the work. Thank you for watching our truck door video, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our truck door bottom section steel plate garage door video.